Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Kia Optima's Bluetooth. First, make sure your car's ignition is on so you can access the infotainment system. Next, grab your mobile device and enable its Bluetooth, making it discoverable. It's a good idea to be parked safely before you start, so you can focus entirely on the steps. This process is straightforward and will have you streaming audio in no time. Now, let's navigate your car's system. Locate and press the phone button on your dashboard. This will bring up the phone menu on your display. From there, you'll want to select Setup or Settings, depending on your specific interface. Then, choose Bluetooth and finally Bluetooth connection to begin the pairing sequence. You're almost there. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. On another note, imagine your home staying spotless effortlessly. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is perfect for pet owners. Check the description below for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the Bluetooth connection screen open, select Add New Device or Register New Device on your car's display. Simultaneously, on your mobile phone, open your Bluetooth settings and search for available devices. You should see an option like Kia Motors or your Optima appear in the list. Tap on that to initiate the connection. A confirmation prompt will appear shortly. Once you've selected your car, a pairing code will appear on both your phone and the Kia Optima's screen. Verify that these codes match, then accept the connection prompt on your mobile device. You might also be asked to allow access to contacts. After confirming, your Kia Optima is successfully connected, ready for hands-free calls and seamless audio streaming. Enjoy your drive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.